Hey, Rudy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tech. So from the title, you can tell that we're doing a glossy eye look. This is something different. I thought it was so cute because all day today I've just been sitting up looking at YouTube videos, looking at different fashion trends, makeup trends, and then I ran across glossy eyes were like becoming a trend. So I know looking at the trends, they were saying more so like colorful glossy eye looks, but me personally, tonight I want to do a glossy eye look. So if you want to be with this pretty crew, I suggest that you subscribe, because if you don't, you already know you ugly. Okay, so make sure you subscribe so you can wake up tomorrow looking beautiful. As you can tell, I've already done my brows, and that's another thing I'm trying to see if I'm gonna do or continue with doing, because I only used the concealer at the bottom. I didn't clean up the top, so we're just going to see how that works out. I'm gonna see how I like the look. If I'm being honest, I'm just playing in my makeup today. But all right, let's jump into this video. Okay, so we're gonna go with my ColourPop just to start off that hydration. Going with my Cover FX Dewy Primer because I have not used this in a good little minute. Not using too much because, like I said, we're just playing around today because your girl running low on makeup. Times are getting tough. All right, we're gonna spray my face again. So we're gonna hope and pray that I still have a little bit left in this bottle to do a makeup look tonight. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and thank the Lord I had enough. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush just so that it can get a little wet. I haven't used water in forever. I just use setting spray because, I mean, you're putting on makeup, so you want your makeup to stay on, right? So why not spray it on the brush? Now time for our Fenty Beauty concealer to highlight under the eyes. Now, luckily that's still a trend, but I think they're really trying to get rid of contouring or over contouring, which is a really good thing because, I mean, there is a such thing as too much. Now we blend. So far we got the natural brow trend. We got not too much contouring, but I haven't done the contouring just yet, and glossy eyes. Now, like I said in the beginning, I'm not doing the whole colorful glossy eyes just yet, but I do want to, of course, do the glossy eyes. That's what we're here today. The whole point of the new trends of 2020 is to just have a natural beat, and that's kind of the direction everybody is moving in anyway, and that's the direction I've been trying to move in as well. So I'm actually really happy because it's all kind of going more towards like back in the day, like kind of like this between like this, I want to say the 60s, but I'm gonna say the 70s just to be on the safe side. So we're more looking towards like the 70s and the 90s where all those same trends are coming back, which I'm really excited about. But you know, of course, now that we are all advanced and people know that makeup for Black women was atrocious, like it just looked like you just threw powder on our face back in the day, and I'm so glad it's gotten a lot better. It's still got some work that needs to be done, but we've gotten a lot better. And like I said in my last video, I like using this espresso because it's not too dark, but it's just enough to contour me to satisfaction. Okay, now time to take it off. Now we're gonna go on with my Kat Von D pencil liner on my top lid, and we're just gonna smudge it out because I'm really just trying to see how I'm going to like this whole new trend look. So let's see how this goes. We're gonna start our gloss eyes. We're about to go in with this brush, this gloss, and we're going to gloss my lids and see how this turns out. Oh yes, I likes this. See, and now I want to go a little glossier, so we're gonna just add just a little bit more. And now it is time for my 25mm lashes, baby. Okay, now time to set the face. All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. But you guys, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate the love and support that y'all always give me. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, then obviously you are ugly. So if you want to be a part of this pretty crew, you need to subscribe, you need to interact. But I'm gonna talk about the interactions later. You need to subscribe, okay? That's all for today. I really hope y'all enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.